Let's get it. Bar for Savannah. And it's about that time. From the seaport for Louis, smoking bit off the post. Straight off the dope and hella dope and selling smoke. Shit, Savannah niggas can't rap you out your motherfucking mind, nigga. Let's get it. I'm on my grind, I do this shit, I ain't new to this, I'm used to this. I got a lot of smoke, I'm moving shit, something go wrong, I'm shooting shit. For my partner though, I'm pulling licks, I'm copping dope, recruiting shit, blowing money fast like Hoover shit, money dope, respect, I'm true to this. All this drug money, yes I salute to this. And them drug dealers that's moving it, and them thug niggas that's shooting shit. They don't get no fuck, they'll shoot a bitch. I don't trust none, cause niggas switch. Fuck the ops, they innocent, money dope, respect, still business bitch. And I'm all about my business bitch. DBG, we in this bitch. Dope boys, turn squad, you try to take my shit and I break shit, leave your mans down, I put that on God. All my niggas is dope dealers, my broski gutter, he moving white. Got your head in the scope, nigga, don't make a move or make the news tonight. Shit is real off in the streets, you talk fire like heat. Ain't a damn thing switch sweet, bang bang, no cheek keep. Shit is real off in the streets, you talk fire like heat. Ain't a damn thing switch sweet, bang bang, no cheek keep. Hella shells to a nigga neck, you already know that I quit the tech. DBG, that be the set. Hold up, I ain't finished yet. My affiliates don't play around. If I catch him up, I'ma lay him down. Catch him like it, they hit him up, so the ambulance will come pick him up. Robbing niggas like stick him up. Taking shit cause I don't give no fuck. If that 40 busted, you gotta duck. If you try to duck, nigga, good luck. I'm on the bike and I'm moving work. If you talking foul and my shit is murk, my whole team gon' make cream for my team. I do the dirt. I ain't with that snitching shit. Niggas stressing over a bitch. Niggas flex like they with this shit. Ain't no damn well they innocent. I ain't with that snitching shit. Niggas stressing over a bitch. Niggas flex like they with this shit. Ain't no damn well that they innocent. Money don't respect, still in this bitch. And I'm all about my business, bitch. I ain't even got no suit and tie. I'm still be on my business shit. All for Savannah, man. Let's get it. Pole rap, nigga.